The case of Higaonon tribe and Cebuano communities in Bukidnon. The case explores the relationship between indigenous Higaonon tribe and the Cebuano settlers in Bukidnon. It focuses on their cultural differences, conflicts over land and resources, and the effort towards peaceful coexistence. Onon tribe. Indigenous people native to Bukidnon, Mindanao, known for preserving the unique culture, traditions, and ancestral domain, primarily subsistence farmer relying on forest resources and traditional farming. Cebuano community migrants from the Visayas, mainly Cebu, who settled in Bukidnon, speak Cebuano and have a more urbanized modern lifestyle, engage in commercial farming, business, and local governance location. Both communities reside in Bukidnon province, sharing the same geographical area but with distinct cultural identities. Displacement. Some Higaonon communities have been displaced without proper consultation or compensation. Development versus tradition. Cebuanos prioritize economic development while Higaonon seek to preserve their cultural heritage. Complex land disputes. The Higaonon have ancestral land claims that sometimes overlap with agricultural expansions by Cebuano, leading to conflicts. The cultural differences is tradition and worldwide view cause misunderstanding and social tensions. Access to resources. The Higaonon often have limited access to education, political representation, and economic opportunities compared to the Cebuanos. Cultural differences. Higaonon have rich oral tradition, indigenous rituals, and close connection with nature, governed by customary laws and speak their own dialects. Cebuano, predominantly Christian and adapt modern governance structures, speak Cebuanos and emphasize formal education and economic process. Impact. These cultural differences sometimes lead to marginalization of Higaonon and hinder cooperation. Recommendations for cooperation and peace. Establish inclusive dialogues that respect the ancestral rights of the Higaonon. Implement joint communities based on resources management program. Promote cultural education to build mutual respect and understanding. Support government and NGO initiatives aimed to conflict resolution and equitable resources access. Encourage collaboration projects focusing on environmental protection and sustainable development. Reporting evidence, news reports on land conflict and peace agreement in Bukidnon, government and NGO documentation, indigenous people rights statements for community leaders promoting peaceful coexistence. In summary, the Higaonon tribe and Cebuano settlers coexistence in Bukidnon but faces challenges from the land disputes and cultural differences. Respect for ancestral lands and cultural preservation is crucial for peace. Cooperation and understanding between the two groups can lead to the sustainable development and harmony.